Alright, so I wanted to do a breakdown of my annotations of today's chart. I thought it was pretty interesting. A lot of stuff went on today, and I did some annotations. Just to continue to train my mind and my eyes to just see this stuff. So I think the major right now, this is a 15-minute chart, and this is the S&P 500, by the way. But I think the major narrative of today is basically prices pulling back to take out all of the buyers that were making a profit. Um, if you've been watching this price, it's been very bullish. Let me go to the daily really quick. Okay, so right here you can see we had all these up close candles. Prices are just moving up. Um, this low right here I think is really key because it's just an obvious area that a lot of people would put their stop losses that were in profit. Um, so I think there's a lot of liquidity down here, and I think price is trying to come back and start grabbing stop losses, sell side liquidity from people that were in profit. So I think that is the narrative for why price is coming down. It makes sense to me. Um, so yeah, I'm going with that. I do think price will come down and trade below this low, and then eventually take out this swing high, and ultimately take out these highs right here. But first, it's going to take out all these buyers that have their stop losses below here. Um, that's just my opinion. But back to the 15-minute chart, the annotations. So this was the London high, and price ran up and took that out. You see at 8:30, price traded down a little bit and whipped up very aggressively and whipped straight back down. Telltale signs of liquidity grab. Then you also have this order block right here because we have the imbalance and the up close candle. And then you see price trade back into it and then continue to move down. And then you see I have a note, down close candle should not be violated. As you can see, that range true. I think the 30-minute gives you the best look at that. So you see price runs into this candle, the low of this bullish candle right here. It respects it, moves down, comes back, trades back into it. The up close candle is still respected. Well, this should actually be up close candles should not be violated because we're bearish. Up close candles. So you see that range true in this example. And then for a shorting opportunity, the best short would have been up here, but where would your stop loss be if you were at the short in here? You'd have a pretty big stop loss. Maybe if you had your order up here and stop loss above here, but then obviously you didn't get tapped in. But this would have been a good short. You had the liquidity grab, the structure break, the imbalance or the fair value gap. All the things that you would want in a setup. But the thing was where would your stop loss be? But this short right here had potential. As I said, up close candles should not be violated if you're bearish. So that's acts as real resistance. Price trades into it, respects it, shoots down with another fair value gap, breaks structure, breaks below this low, breaks structure, and then you could have your order, right above this candle. You would have got tapped in, and the low-hanging fruit would have been below these subsequent lows here, and the ultimate objective would be that daily low that I pointed out on the daily chart, which is this line right here. So maybe you could close partials and kind of ride it out if you want to hold over the whatever it's called, if you want to hold over the close, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got annotations wise for today. Like I said, I do expect price to trade below this low. There's so much liquidity down here, and they did all of this work. Why would they, come this far and then just reverse it when all of this money is down here? So yeah, I think they're going to trade below. The only reason I guess they wouldn't, it would be to set it up for a later date. But then that's even more confluence later to be taken out. So that'd be a really good target. But yeah, that's all I got. And I'll continue to do these annotations. I'm going to start doing these annotations instead of like forecast. Because I just think these would be more helpful than doing forecasts for learning. So that's it for this video.